Hello and welcome to our special segment on the science of yoga. Today, we are exploring how this ancient practice can offer relief and healing to those suffering from Irritable Bowel Syndrome or IBS. I am Dr. Madhur and I am here to guide you through the transformative effects of yoga on your gut health. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is your gut? Well, it's basically your digestive system, the system responsible for breaking down the food you eat, absorbing all the good stuff your body needs, and getting rid of the waste. It plays a crucial role in overall health and well-being. But here's the really cool part. Your gut isn't just a bunch of organs doing their thing. It's actually home to trillions of tiny organisms, bacteria, fungi, and other microbes, collectively known as the gut microbiome. And these little guys are like the unsung heroes of your body. They help with digestion, boost your immune system, and even play a role in your mental health. So why should you care about your gut? Because keeping it happy and healthy can have a huge impact on how you feel, both physically and mentally. Whether it's avoiding tummy troubles, boosting your energy levels, or even improving your mood, understanding your gut is the key to feeling your best. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of gut. Get ready to learn why it's so important and how you can keep it in tip-top shape. Trust me, your gut will thank you for it. The gut, also known as the gastrointestinal tract, plays a crucial role in overall health and well-being. The intricate ecosystem plays a pivotal role in our digestion, immune function, and even our mental health. Diseases of the gut include Irritable Bowel Syndrome or IBS, gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD, peptic ulcer disease, gastroenteritis, and hemorrhoid. Imagine a highly sophisticated communication network bridging the gap between your gut and your brain, facilitating the exchange of crucial messages and information. It's a concept that goes beyond mere fascination. It's a fundamental aspect of human physiology with profound implications on our health. Consider this. Within the depths of our digestive system lies a significant portion of our body's neurotransmitters, the messengers, responsible for regulating our mood and emotions. Serotonin, often dubbed as the feel-good neurotransmitter, is one such example, synthesized right within our gut. Now, why is this revelation significant? Think of your gut as the conductor of an orchestra, guiding the harmony of bodily functions, while your brain serves as the lead violinist, interpreting and responding to the conductor's cues. If the conductor, our gut, experiences disruptions, it can disrupt the entire ensemble, leading to potential mood disorders like anxiety and depression. Yet, the gut-brain axis extends beyond matters of mood. Research suggests that disturbances in our gut health can contribute to a myriad of health issues, ranging from gastrointestinal disorders like IBS to more severe conditions such as autoimmune diseases and neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Therefore, when we discuss the importance of nurturing our gut health, we are not merely addressing the avoidance of digestive discomfort. We are acknowledging the critical role of this connection, one that influences our mood, immune function, and overall well-being in profound ways. In addition to common gut ailments, Irritable Bowel Syndrome is another prevalent gastrointestinal disorder worth noting. IBS or Irritable Bowel Syndrome is a widespread disorder that targets the large intestine, resulting in various uncomfortable symptoms. These symptoms include cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, and gas, along with diarrhea or constipation. Its prevalence has made it a significant concern for many seeking relief from its often debilitating effects. Despite extensive research, the precise cause of IBS remains a mystery. However, it's widely believed that factors such as stress, lifestyle choices, often contribute to the severity and frequency of IBS symptoms. This relationship highlights the importance of managing stress, adopting a healthier lifestyle habit as a part of successful treatment strategy. Yoga stands out as a holistic remedy for those seeking relief from the discomforts of IBS. Its holistic approach to health and well-being is rooted in the practice of seamlessly integrating physical postures, controlled breathing techniques, and meditation. This fusion operates in synergy to cultivate equilibrium and tranquility within both body and mind. Attaining this equilibrium is paramount for those grappling with IBS, as it directly influences digestive function and overall stress levels, which often exacerbates IBS symptoms. This combination works in harmony to foster a state of balance and harmony within the body and mind. For individuals grappling with IBS, this balance is crucial as it directly impacts the digestive system's functionality and overall stress levels, which are often linked to the intensity of IBS symptoms. Physical postures, known as asana, are meticulously crafted to gently stretch the body, fortify the body, and promote digestive well-being, and elevating the physical discomfort linked with IBS. These postures serve to invigorate the gastrointestinal tract, improve circulation to the digestive organs, and mitigate common symptoms such as bloating and abdominal discomfort. Concurrently, the practice of controlled breathing, termed as pranayama, instills a heightened awareness of breath, fostering relaxation and stress reduction. This facet of yoga holds a particular significance for individuals managing IBS, given stress' documented role in triggering flare-ups. By mastering the role of regulation of breath, individuals can engage their body's innate relaxation mechanism, thereby mitigating stress impact on digestive health. This aspect of yoga is particularly beneficial for IBS sufferers, as stress is a well-documented trigger for IBS flare-up. By learning to control the rhythm and depth of their breathing, IBS sufferers can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, often referred to as the rest and digest mode, promoting a state of calm and reducing the body's stress response. Moreover, pranayama techniques can help individuals develop resilience in the face of stressor, empowering them with practical tools to navigate challenging situations with greater ease. By incorporating regular pranayama practice into their routine, individuals can build a foundation of self-care and resilience. Regular meditation empowers those with IBS to establish a deeper connection between their mind and body, acknowledging and managing the emotional and psychological triggers that may worsen their symptoms. Certain yoga poses can directly impact the gut health by enhancing digestion and elevating the discomfort associated with IBS. For instance, poses such as Pavan Muktasana help in releasing trapped gases and improving bowel movements. Vajrasana or Thunderbolt pose is known to facilitate digestion by stimulating the vagus nerve, which controls the digesting function. Twisting asanas like Parivritta Trikonasana stimulate the digestive organs, promoting detoxification and improving the circulation in the abdominal region. Yoga presents an encouraging, holistic method for handling IBS, emphasizing the connection between mind, body, and gut health. By incorporating yoga into your life, you are not just easing your physical symptoms, but also embarking on a journey towards holistic well-being. Remember that the key is consistency and patience. Namaste.